This is a 1968 Sears Twingle. It's basically a two-cylinder motorcycle, but it shares a common combustion chamber, which is a funny thing to do, but it helped with porting. Runs great. It's 175cc displacement. Spent a long time in a barn up here in Maine, and I've had it for a while and I've really enjoyed running it around. Got a good looking tank. A little bit beat up over the years. That engine, twin exhaust, fully enclosed chain, new rear tire. It's not the correct tail light, but it looks good. Original Denfeld saddle, just like you'd find on a BMW of the day. There's the motor with a new carburetor. Now let's see if it'll start. Mighty 6-volt headlamp. It's a great motorcycle for country lanes or in-town riding.